Number 34, the greatness of a book depends dash on the acceptability among the readers. এই নাম্বারে আমরা মেইনলি, প্রাইমারিলি, বেসিক্যালি এই জাতীয় অ্যাডভার্ব গুলো দিতে পারবো। তো আমি মেইনলি ওয়ার্ডটা থেকে দিচ্ছি, the greatness of a book depends mainly on the acceptability among the readers. Dash we read a book only once, we can discover many things in it. নাম্বার বি তে ইফ কন্ডিশনাল যে সেন্টেন্সটা সেটা দিব, if we read a book only once we can discover many things in it. Number C the but basing on one reading we cannot judge the standard of a book. Dash a book is praised dash. Number D the if a book is praised, number E the again and again or praised highly, we have no doubt about the greatness of the book. Number F after, এখানে মনে হচ্ছে at preposition দিলে মিলে ভালো, বাট আমাদের তো কানেক্টর দরকার, after ওয়ার্ডটাকে দিচ্ছি। After first reading we may not understand a book, dash it is read more than once. Number G te but if it is read more than once we will see, number H why it was read and praised. And there's the people of all walks are fond of reading books. Number 8 এ গিয়ে আমাদের একটা ফ্যাকচুয়াল স্টেটমেন্ট বলেছে, সো আমরা ইনফ্যাক্ট দিতে পারি। In fact, people of all walks are fond of reading books and they know. Number J te how to, they know how to evaluate the books. Number 35, in Bangladesh, women constitute half of its total population, that they are considered subservient to men. Number 8, but they are considered subservient to men. We have been confined within the four walls of home. They have been confined within the four walls of home. There they are deprived of the light of education. Number B, so they are deprived of the light of education. There they remain illiterate and educated. Number C, that is why. Or that means they remain illiterate and uneducated. But dash educated, man or woman can perform. Number D, but being educated, a man or woman can perform his or her duties perfectly and proficiently. If a mother is educated, she can bring up her children in a constructive way. Dash an uneducated mother can render her service. Number E, on the other hand, on the contrary, an uneducated mother can render her service. Number F, not only to the family, not only the neither to the family nor to the society and the country. An educated mother knows better. Number 8, how to educate her children, dash to make them worthier. Number I, in order to make them worthier, that she can discharge her social responsibilities and contribute to the overall development of the country. Number J, thus, or that is why, that is how she can discharge her social responsibilities and contribute to the overall development of the country. Number 36. Health is one of the most important phenomena in human life. Dash a healthy man can earn money and accumulate wealth. Health is one of the most important phenomena in human life. এখানে health কত important সেটা বলেছে। তার একটা এক্সাম্পল দিয়েছে এইতে। তো আমরা ফর এক্সাম্পল লিখতে পারি। For example, a healthy man can earn money and accumulate wealth. Number B, dash health is compared to wealth. Number B, conclusion. So, health is compared to wealth. Dash it is health that can give us bliss and make us happy. Number C, that is why or therefore it is health that can give us bliss and make us happy. Dash health alone can enable us to enjoy our life to the full. Dash it is not easy to have a sound health. Okay. Number D, in fact, health alone can enable us to enjoy our life to the full. But number E, but it is not easy to have a sound health. For this, we have to maintain some certain rules and habit. Dash we have to take a balanced diet. Ever rules and habits গুলো আসছে। Number F, firstly, we have to take a balanced diet. Number G, secondly or besides, we must take physical exercise regularly. Number H, again or thirdly, we have to be early riser. Number I, for moreover, অথবা furthermore, we have to lead a decent life. Number J, thus, we can attain good health and consequently wealth also. J, thus. Number 37, we have some memorable days in our life. We do not forget them. Dash we remember every moment of them quite vividly. We do not forget them. তারপরে এবারে বলছে remember, তাহলে উল্টা। So number 8, rather or instead, we remember every moment of them quite vividly. My first day at school is a memorable day in my life. My mother took me to my school. Dash I was very nervous. Number B, at first, I was very nervous and I found so many new faces. When I found so many new faces there, I got myself introduced to some of them. Dash, I shared my interest with them. Number C, besides or then or after that, I shared my interests with them. Dash, I got rid of my nervousness. Number C, besides দেওয়া ভালো আর D, then দেওয়া ভালো. Then I got rid of my nervousness gradually. There were no classes on that day. There the teachers came one by one and introduced themselves to us. Number E, next, the teachers came one by one and introduced themselves to us. All of them seemed very cordial. Dash I developed number F. So I developed a liking for our headmistress, who was old but smart, an old but smart lady. Dash I took her as a model from the very. Number G, that is why or therefore I took her as a model from the very first day. Dash she was second to my mother. Number H, besides or in fact, she was second to my mother. My first day at school took me to a new world. Dash it was the beginning of a new life. Number I, really, it was the beginning of a new life. Dash it as an eternal source of joy for me. It is an is of a. Number J, so it is an eternal joy for a source of joy for me. And moving to number 38. Computer is one of the wonders of modern science. Dash it performs three functions. Actually, it performs three functions. Number B, firstly, it receives data. Number C, secondly, or besides, it processes data by various computations. Number D, thirdly, or uh, furthermore, it emits data. Furthermore ছাড়াও moreover দেওয়া যাবে, lastly দেওয়া যাবে, finally দেওয়া যাবে, at last দেওয়া যাবে. Dash every computer has a machine language. Number E, in fact অথবা however দেওয়া যাবে. In fact, every computer has a machine language of its own, and accordingly it works. The machine language varies from machine to machine, but dash computer means digital computer. But today, অথবা but nowadays, computer means digital computer. A digital computer can do hundreds of things more dash an analog computer. Number G, then more than an analog computer. It dash keeps account dash finds out defects. Number H, it not only keeps account, number I, but also finds out defects of other machine and tells about its solution. Dash it is said that, number J, so it is said that computer has made our life easier and comfortable. There is no doubt about it. Number 39. Dish antenna or electronic media is one of the latest gifts of modern science. It is not only a blessing, but also a curse. It is dish antenna that we sitting in our own room can enjoy our football. Number C, throw. It is throw, or it is because of dish antenna that we sitting in our drawing room can enjoy our football, or number D, or a cricket match played on the other side of the globe. We can see the inaccessible parts of the earth on the TV screen. That this blessing should not blind us to its bad effects. Number E, but or however, this blessing should not blind us to its bad effects. Many scenes and programs that are detrimental. Number F, which are that? Which are detrimental to our culture are broadcast through the dish antenna. Our youths see them and are misguided. Much of their valuable time for reading is now taken away by this medium. Dash we get some valuable information through the dish antenna. Number G, though or although we get some valuable information through the dish antenna, it cannot be a substitute for serious studies. It is dash a serious attack on our local cultures. It is therefore, number 8, therefore, a serious attack on our local culture. Dash too much dependence on TV program destroys our originality in thinking. Number I, again, or besides, too much dependence on TV program destroys our originality in thinking. Considering all these, we should be careful about the dish antenna. Dash alluring it may appear, however alluring it may appear. However, or whatever alluring it may appear. অথবা no matter how alluring it may appear. Number 40, যেটি ছিল আমাদের হোমওয়ার্কের লাস্ট নাম্বার। Truthfulness is the greatest and most important of all human virtues. It is important to build up the character of a man. Number A, a man whose character is not good is not loved by anybody. That we should always speak the truth. Number B, so we should always speak the truth. Our society cannot exist. Number C, if or when we all be liars. A truthful man keeps his word. So people depend upon number D, what he says. They give him responsible work. He is not afraid of anybody. He may be poor, number E, but but he lives a peaceful and happy life because he knows that he is pure in mind and he is right. There's the word of a truthful man has great value. Number F, again or besides or moreover, the word of a truthful man has great value. Dash his words carry number G, because his words carry more weight than documents. A truthful man, however, number H, however, has a clear conscience and does not fear anybody. So, আচ্ছা নাম্বার এইচে আমরা therefore দিতে পারি। A truthful man therefore has a clear conscience and does not fear anybody. So his mind is free from anxiety. Dash constantly travels. Number 8, which or that, which constantly travels a liar. Dash his enemies respect him. Number J, even his enemies respect him and his respect is more important than any costly jewel. ওকে, এই ছিল আমাদের 34 থেকে 40 পর্যন্ত হোমওয়ার্ক চেকিং। এবার তোমাদের কোনো অবজারভেশন, যে কোনোটাতে কোনো অবজারভেশন থাকলে আমরা সেটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। মেবি কোনো অবজারভেশন নেই, তাহলে আমরা 41 নাম্বারে যাব এবং এখান থেকে এখন ক্লাসে করব। 41 থেকে 41 42 এই দুইটা করে চেক করে এরপরে আবার 43 তে যাই। Number 41, early rising is one of the best habits that a man can possess. The benefits of early rising are many. Number 8, firstly, if we get up early, we get enough time to work. Number B, secondly, or besides, we can enjoy the fresh air of the morning, which refreshes our body and mind. Number C, again, we can take some exercises or a walk in the morning. Nature smiles with colorful flowers and chirping of birds. Number D, moreover, early rising takes us to close contact with wonderful world of nature. Number E, on the other hand, if we do not get up early in the morning, we suffer a lot. Number F, suffering এর প্রথমটা, firstly, we do not have enough time to do our work. Secondly, or besides, we cannot finish our works in time. Number H, thirdly, or again, late rising from bed tells upon our health. Moreover, we can never enjoy the freshness of nature. Number J, so we should make a habit of early rising and stay safe and sound, both physically and mentally. 42, the habit of overeating is very dangerous for health. We eat, number 8, so that or in order that we can live. There are some. Number B, the but there are some people. Number C, who. Some people who foster a view that we have come to this world for one time. So eat as number D as much as you can. There are also some people who eat number eat and want to eat whatever they see. They do not follow any routine of eating or think of the food value. Number F a rather or instead they have no. Number F holo so they have to suffer অথবা ultimately or eventually they have to suffer from various indigestion problems and dash become too fat. Number G and therefore become too fat to live a normal life. There is a saying that a man dies not from less eating, but from overeating. Number 8, E for when we turn our eyes to our surroundings, we see number 8 that those who are in the habit of overeating suffer from so many problems. Dash, nobody should develop. Number J, that is why or so, nobody should develop the dangerous habit of overeating. 43, education is the backbone of a nation. Our country can improve very rapidly. Dash, it has educated people who can. Number 8, if it has educated people who can lead the country from the front. In respect of education, universities hold the key to produce scholar sons for the motherland. Dash universities of our country always play the most important role. Number B, or that is why universities of our country always play the most important role. One person, number C, who. One person who wants to get admitted into our university should complete the HSC level. A procedure of admission to universities in our country is challenging. Number D, and as well as are very much competitive. In each year, a lot of students pass the HSC exam and appear in the admission test for university. The whole process is number 8 quite. The whole process is quite lengthy and আচ্ছা আমরা পরে যেহেতু এন্ড পাচ্ছি সেহেতু কোয়াইটটা ড্রপ করে দিলাম নিলাম না নাম্বার ইতে বোথ দিচ্ছি the whole process is both lengthy and also not totally fair. There the universities give a circular for the admission test. Number G, FA, at first the universities give a circular for the admission test and they give the minimum qualification for the students. Dash according to the various disciplines. Number G, however, according to the various disciplines, dash vary from varsity to varsity. The examinations take place. Dash according to the various disciplines. G তে then দেওয়া যায় then according to the various disciplines dash vary from varsity and number H and vary from varsity to varsity the examinations take place. Dash a student is to take a number I so a student is to take a good preparation. Number J is so that he can get the best opportunity. Number 44 আমাদের 1 মিনিট আছে we want success. Number 8 এ success prosperity synonymous সুতরাং and we want success and prosperity in life or দেওয়া যাবে success or prosperity in life. Number B তে dash we do not do what B তে but we do not do what are needed for achieving this. Dash we want to make our life glorious, we must. Number C, if we want to make our life glorious, we must follow some rules. Dash ever rules এর প্রথমটা firstly we have to be industrious. Secondly we আচ্ছা number E তে industrious কেন হতে হবে সেটার ব্যাখ্যা so because without hard work success in life is impossible. Number F is secondly or besides we should be sincere in our activities. We must be sincere to what